Minecraft mod safety, risks and recommendations.
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing the common risks associated with downloading and installing Minecraft mods from third-party websites, particularly focusing on popular platforms like Curseforge.
What are Minecraft mods?
Minecraft mods are pieces of software that can change or add content to the game, enhancing gameplay and adding new features or functionalities. While they can greatly improve the gaming experience, mods need to be used with caution as they can come with several risks, especially when downloaded from third-party websites.
What risks are associated with Minecraft mods?
The main risk is the potential to download malicious software. Third-party websites may host mods that contain malware, such as viruses or spyware, which can damage your computer, compromise your security, or steal personal information. There's also the risk of non-compliant or broken mods. These mods might not work properly, causing Minecraft to crash or fail to load correctly, potentially damaging your game files. Lastly, some mods can lead to performance issues. If your computer does not meet the required specifications, running modded Minecraft can cause your game to run slowly, lag, or even freeze.
Why Curseforge?
Curseforge is a popular platform for Minecraft mods, as it is generally considered safer than many other third-party websites. They provide a platform for mod developers to share their creations and for players to download them. However, even with platforms like Curseforge, there is always some level of risk. Always ensure you are downloading from a trusted mod author, check reviews, and stay vigilant for any signs of issues.
How can I mitigate these risks?
While risks do exist, there are a few ways to mitigate them. Firstly, always download mods from reliable and well-known sources. Check the reviews and comments before downloading any mod. Secondly, ensure you have a good antivirus program installed on your computer, and keep it updated to protect against potential threats. Finally, make regular backups of your Minecraft worlds and game files. This can prevent loss of data if a mod causes issues with your game. To sum it up, while downloading and installing Minecraft mods can enhance your gaming experience, it's important to be aware of the potential risks, especially when using third-party sites like Curseforge. However, with proper precautions like using trusted sources, maintaining good antivirus software, and regularly backing up your game files, you can mitigate these risks and enjoy a safer modding experience. Happy gaming!